Hello friends and family from Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. Today we're going to go eat at the Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory and then also have some Mickey beignets. I am so excited to have the beignets. I really want to compare them to Mardi Gras over at Universal Studios, one of our favorite beignets. And we've also had the ones at SeaWorld as well. They didn't quite stack up to the ones at Universal though. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would really appreciate it. This is our first time over here at the French Quarter, and I can tell you, like, right off the bat, I'm definitely getting some strong New Orleans vibes, and I'm loving the American flag that they have out front here. Like, this looks amazing already. I love the attention to detail on these balconies that they have right here. Oh, and also, once we head inside here, they have a shop. We'll definitely check out the resort merchandise as well. Check out these statues they have right here. Crew of Port Orleans, Mardi Gras 1991. Like, they look so amazing, don't they? And the palm trees in the background. They have the gift shop and arcade over here, which I will definitely check out. Also, check out this water feature that they have right here. And right inside here, they have a bunch of Mardi Gras coins. I just think that is just so neat. Look at all the amazing colors. This is an amazing water fountain that they have right here in the main entrance. I love this. Then over here on this side we have Floatworks. This is where we'll be dining tonight on the Sassagoula Floatworks Food Factory. And to the left hand side here we have Scat Cat's Club. That's where we're going to get our Mickey beignets for dessert. I am really excited for those. This is seriously so beautiful in here, guys. I think while we're waiting for our food here over at Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory, I want to head into the gift shop quick and see what type of unique items they have for this resort. We're going to head on into Jackson Square here, and I'm really loving the Mardi Gras vibes with all the beads here, the classic Walt Disney World t-shirt in the window. This looks amazing. Right across from Jackson Square, right over here is your concierge and your guest check-in. For $16.95, they have Disney's Port Orleans Resort French Quarter ornaments right here. And also, right over here, these pins for Port Orleans French Quarter are with Mickey and Minnie are only $9.99. I really like this women's Port Orleans French Quarter t-shirt that they have right here for Mardi Gras. Oh, and they have some toothpick holders here for $9.99. And you could take home your very own print here of Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter for $25. This is like the entrance where we just came in. And again, the theming right here above, like the snack stand right here, is really, really cool for Mardi Gras as well. I love this one right here. That's amazing. All right, let's head on into the Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory, I should say. But right off the bat, I really love all of these different Mardi Gras masks that they have right here. Like, look at this one. This one is so ornate. And this blue one with all the feathers. Like, these are pretty cool. Here's some of the different food offerings they have here. Chicken Parmesan pasta, pasta with meatballs. You can get a large pizza, pizza by the slice, a prime rib dip. I think that's what I'm going to try tonight. They also have an Impossible Burger, a pulled pork sandwich. They got a really, really nice menu here, actually. So I went with the prime rib French dip right here. It comes with the dipping sauce. This is actually fairly sizable. This meal over here is only $11.49, but this looks really delicious. Let's go ahead and give this a dipping. Or we're gonna go ahead and bathe the sandwich, I should say, right here. But how delicious does this look? All right, let's go ahead and try this. That's good. It's very, very flavorful. The meat is very tender. Just a perfect amount of cheese. The dipping sauce is very good. I highly recommend that so far. I think we're gonna go ahead and try some of the French fries in it too. The fries are kind of the same around all the resorts, but very good the fries are. The theming in here is actually really neat. Like the light fixtures, They look like a bunch of dangling Mardi Gras beads. They have a lot of beads up here that are absolutely enormous. And just the theming is really on point in here. And I love some of the posters that they have here. Mardi Gras Parade, New Orleans, Best in Show. Sassagoula Float Factory. That's just really neat. That prime rib dip sandwich with all those fries for only $11.49, like that's an incredible deal, and it was very, very delicious. Before we go get our Mickey beignets though, I feel like we kind of have to walk a little bit of that off and just explore the grounds out here a little bit. This area over here is the area where originally came from, and to the right hand side is Scat Cat and the restaurant where we just ate at. But look at like the palm trees. This is very, very well decorated, and I also really like the New Orleans themed scaffolding and awning right here. They also have a really nice playground over here for the kids, but I definitely want to head down this way a little bit. Look at all the gators there, ready for Mardi Gras. They look amazing. It says right here we have the pool straight ahead. To the left is the spa and pool bar. Right here we have the playground, so I definitely want to head this way. We're gonna check out some of these gators right here. They look like they're having an amazing time here at Port Orleans. How cool are they? What great photo ops too. Oh, we have two more gators here. Let the good times roll. Oh, look at this, guys. And straight ahead is the entrance for the pool, and I love it. Look at that, you have a gesture right there. Mardi Gras Parade, all of the beautiful lights and colors. Like, this looks seriously amazing. You have a really great splash pad over here for the kids, and some of the rooms are just over here in the backdrop. Very, very nice though. And over here is the swimming pool here with that really great photo op. Oh, looks like they have a slide over there too. That's really neat. Then right over here to the left of the pool, you have the Mardi Gras pool bar right here. And I love the heaters that they have out because it is really chilly outside right now. They also have plenty of seating over here with a bunch of tables and chairs on the outskirts of the pool area. And you kind of have the canopy of these trees right here with all the Spanish moss. I love like the wrought iron railing that they have. But seriously guys, this right here says it's building number 5. But how amazing do these balconies look? Like the theming over here is just amazing. It's really so beautiful out at night out here. Like all these beautiful street lights here. Just a nice crisp, nice evening. It's just a perfect night here at Port Orleans. I think we're gonna head on in though, go to the Scat Cat and try some of those Mickey beignets to kind of top off the evening here at Port Orleans. All right, we're gonna head on over to the Scat Cat Club Cafe and get our Mickey beignets. There are 3 beignets for $6.99, 6 beignets for $10.99, and you do get your choice of 1 dipping sauce, salted caramel, strawberry, or chocolate, and you can purchase additional sauces here for 99 cents. I love the jazz theming in here. Like right here we have a picture of Louis Armstrong. We have a banjo over here. Just the theming is definitely like old school New Orleans in here. It's really neat. And check out the counter right here. If you guys had smell-o-vision, this smells so delicious. Oh boy, look at these beignets right here. I actually feel the one on my thumb here. It is piping hot. All that powdered sugar. I can't wait to try these. Okay, we got the beignets to the table here. We got some caramel sauce here. And then we also got the chocolate sauce. And these are like piping hot. They literally pour these right behind the counter. Let's go ahead and grab one of these Mickeys here. I think I'm going to take this one and put him in the chocolate. We'll make him a happy Mickey. Alright, let's go ahead and try the Mickey beignet with the chocolate sauce. That is really, really good. Check out the center there. And tons of powdered sugar. Winner, winner, beignet dinner. I'm also going to try the caramel sauce as well. We'll see which one's better here. Go all over. Oh, the caramel's better.
That's what I heard. Is it?
Yeah, the caramel's better.
I didn't try.
Okay, it's official. The Mickey beignets are better than the ones at Universal Studios. I never thought I would say that. But we had such a great evening tonight at Port Orleans. Such an amazing resort and great food. If you liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, make today awesome.